Oh. Hello, my fam. I'm excited because today we are doing something I've never done before in the Las Vegas area, and I've been coming here for nearly 20 years. We are gonna go to a different city.
What?
Boulder City.
¿Qué es eso?
It's only 30 minutes from Las Vegas, and there's so much to do in Boulder City.
¿Qué? ¿Vamos a ir a otra ciudad?
Yes, we're going to another city. I don't really know all there is to do. Actually, I do. I did some research already. I don't want to tell you until we get there.
¿Está en Las Vegas?
No, it's called Boulder City. It's a different city.
¿Es otra ciudad?
Yes, it'll take 30 minutes to get there. And there's a lot of fun things to do.
¿Qué hay ahí?
Both indoor and outdoor things. I'll tell you one thing. Okay, move. Mike it. We're gonna go to Hoover Dam.
What is that?
You want me to show you? All right, Hoover Dam.
What
Don't
is
touch.
this?
There we go.
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam images. Look at that.
It's a bridge.
It's a dam.
It's a bridge.
There might be a bridge there.
Look, there's a bridge.
Doesn't that look cool?
No, esto se mira cool. Lo demás
That's very cool.
Lo demás es como... No se mira... Oh, ¿esto qué es?
And there's other things to do
Aquí hay
in
un
Boulder.
roller coaster, yo creo.
That's a bridge. I don't think that's a roller
No, eso es un
coaster.
roller coaster.
But people might go bungee jumping. Do you want to go bungee jumping, Mario?
Yo quise hacer un bungee jumping
You do?
la última vez.
You want to go bungee jumping?
Yes.
Grandma will kill me if I let you do that. I don't think you can anyways. You're probably too young, too.
Can I imagine myself?
I don't know. We're not gonna do bungee jumping. Grandma's about to hop in the shower. She's not wearing clothes from the waist down. She's going to do what makes her happy. What are you gonna do?
Casino!
Yay! Have fun, win big. We're gonna do family fun stuff. And if you wanna be happier and healthier, check out my new CBD gummies, My True 10. So affordable as well. Quality and an entry point for everybody. Because a lot of CBD out there is overpriced. MyTrue10.com. This is my new business. Right now, we're only direct to consumer, meaning on the web. And unfortunately, we can't be on Amazon. They're not allowing CBD products, which I don't understand because there is no THC in this. This will not get you high, but it will get you feeling so much things. There's so many benefits to CBD. Do some research, talk to your doctor or loved ones, and buy some My True 10 for them, for yourself, for your family, for your friends, for your coworkers. MyTrue10.com. Let's go have some fun. All right, we are here at our first stop, young ladies. This is the Mike O'Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge Plaza. We just passed Boulder City. We will be going there after we do the Hoover Dam. And what's interesting is to get to this area, we had to pass a security checkpoint. I think they're looking for suspicious people that might want to try to blow up the Hoover Dam. And what's interesting also,
Hoover Dam.
we're gonna see it. They literally asked if we had any firearms. No. And the area that we're at now is managed by the federal government. So it's not a Nevada thing, which is also interesting to me. Because I would think, the Hoover Dam is a Nevada thing, but it's a federal government thing. Also, it's boiling hot right now. Holy guacamole. How hot is it, Mario? You didn't bring a hat? Oh boy, you fell asleep in the car. All right, let's go check it out. Yeah, there's animals.
Aquí hay
Mike O'Callahan, Pat Tillman.
Papi, ¿podemos ir a ir a las pegadas tortugas?
Oh wait, this is where we're at. We're on that bridge that you were seeing, Mia. This is that bridge that you saw on the computer. This is that. How cool.
That's not awesome bridge.
That's a bridge. This is just the first stop that we saw. Wow, it took 10 years to build this bridge.
Where's the bridge?
We're gonna get to it. Oh wait, look at this. Hoover Dam separates Nevada from Arizona. That's another state.
¿Podemos ir a ver las tortugas?
Well, let's see if we find them. Come on, let's go.
Yay.
All right. So now we're gonna go up here. Very conveniently paved walkway, and no, I don't know if there's gonna be any turtles. We'll see. Mario is leading the way. We're actually using the stairs because it's quicker. The reason why it's so much hotter today than when we went to Red Rock is that we're higher up. The elevation is taller. Does that make sense? It does?
I want to stop here.
Okay. So look at this. This is why it took so long to build. There's so many steps. All right, here we are at the bridge. Don't get on this side. This is scary. Don't look over here. All right, look. That is the Hoover Dam. I know, I'm afraid my phone's gonna fall. How cool is this? What do you think, Mia? This is very impressive and massive. Honestly, it is a little scary, especially because there's no safety on the other side. Like, I would have thought there would be like a catch, something underneath it. Look. Oh my gosh. Nothing. Ah! This is scary. Ah! Are you scared, Mario? Are you scared? Okay, good. A ese lado no. Over here. Mario just said he's not scared because if he falls, he'll fall in the water. But you would fall from so high, so fast, that the water would feel like concrete. So, yeah, you just know that. All right, let's go see more. So this is where we were just at. Wow, how pretty. We were on top of that. Kids, I have news for you. We are now in a different state.
We're in the U.S.
We're in Arizona now. We left Nevada and crossed into Arizona, and the Hoover Dam is right there. And
Are we still in the U.S.?
yes, we're still in the U.S. Mike, bájate de ahí. It's a different time zone in Arizona.
What time is it?
I think it's 1 hour later or earlier. I don't even know. It's a different time zone. Lake Mead, and look at the rocks over there. You see why these rocks are different colors? Because if the water goes up and down, it changes the color of the rocks.
How can it go so high to water?
That's why I made a dam, because the water does go high. Hoover Dam, that's where we're at. That's Hoover Dam. A dam divides water. Like from this huge lake, it separates it. It stops it from flowing. Good questions. I don't have all the answers.
Dad, but how did it go up, Dad?
The water, it just rises and lowers naturally. Or maybe there is a function for it to rise and lower. I don't know. Look, I've got the answers. These are intake tubes, and they channel water through pipes called penstocks to the power plant turbines. Those are the spillways allow high water to flow around the dam rather than over it. No, it does not clean it. It does not clean it. It regulates it. It controls the water. It controls the water. I don't know.
Sí, porque mira, antes estaba así, ahora es así. Antes estaba así, ahora es así.
All right, let's go look. Look at this, you guys. This lake that
Touch
we're...
my head.
What?
Touch my head.
It's hot.
Touch her.
Lake Mead, most of the water from Lake Mead comes from the mountains of Colorado, Utah, and Wyoming. And Lake Mead is the largest man-made lake in the United States. So cool. How cool. There's a women's restroom in there. That says Arizona time.
Let's go.
Look at this, Mario. What does that say? Yeah, keep reading. Clark Hoover. 31st.
President of the United States.
Yeah, they named Hoover Dam after President Hoover. Cool. Look, Hoover Dam was built between 1931 and 1935. That's almost 100 years ago. And we've got the US flag there and some pretty winged statues. All right, so I've got some bad news. I thought it would be fun today, since it's so hot, to go kayaking.
Is it going in the boat?
But we're here outside the kayak canoe place, and we're nowhere near the water. This place is not quite what I thought. This canoe kayak place is like a 4-hour excursion, or they also offer a full day excursion. I wanted to rent a kayak for 1 hour and have fun. So we're gonna do some other thing or things.
What are we going to do? Say yes.
Let me research. I'm striking out again. I'm gonna actually get outside and show. Well, we can go outside and take a photo. Let's go outside and take a photo. Come on, vamos. So this place looks completely not abandoned, but it's closed. And the website said that the 7. Oh.
What happened?
I think, wait, let's see. This is so cool because you can rent this like thingy and you pedal it. It looks like that. I don't know. At least we got the trains here. We can take a look at the trains. Cool. Choo choo. Be careful, Mia. That's about to take off. Look, this is what I wanted to rent. That. How cool does this look? But it's freaking closed. This. There's nobody here. We're striking out. So this place is actually the Nevada State Railroad Museum. Cool. That is what we were gonna do, but it's closed. The kayak didn't work out, but at least we hit up the museum. Let's go inside that one. Yeah, let's go inside. Oh, I think it's closed. It's not illegal. No, Mia, don't go inside. Bummer. No subas. Those things look so fun. Actually, I don't even know how we would have done it because it's only 2 people at a time. Oh well. Those look like fun if you ever are in the area and you're an even numbered group. All right, you guys, where are we going? Where does our magical train go? You can see inside. Let's see. It's not working, Mario. I can't see anything. You see a bed?
Yes. Oh yeah, I can see everything.
That's not a bed, that's for seating. Yeah. Well, actually, we could have done this. We could have done 2 in one and then 3 in the other. It's a 4-person thing, not a 2-person thing. Ah, but it's closed. How annoying. Well, I don't know if we're supposed to be here right now, but we are. Don't keep running ahead. There might be monsters there.
Mom, it's
It's
okay.
okay. At least the kids are happy. I'm happy. Mario, come here and sit there and let's pretend we rode it.
Yes, let's get there.
Because at least we'll get a photo. All right. Are you guys ready? We're going to go on a special trip to the moon.
Hey, let's go.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Go, go, go. Blast off. Faster. Come on. You're almost there. All right. Do you guys want to know where we're going to now? We're going to the Monster Museum.
Where's the Monster Museum?
That's what it's called.
Allá rock climbing.
I don't know. I've never been.
Ahí hay muchos juegos, quizás, porque así se llama.
It's called the Monster Museum. Let's go check it out. Look. Tom Devlin's Monster Museum.
Papi, estaba muy cerca de los trenes.
Yes, very close to the train.
Ahí está.
All right. Uh-oh.
No quiero entrar. No tampoco.
Whoa, this is from A Nightmare on Elm Street, they said. From the actual movie.
It's a Chucky.
No, Freddy, not Chucky.
Dad, no, look at this one. This image looks.
That's part of his sweater.
That looks creepy.
That's cool. This is my favorite horror film. Boom! Oh, wow. Mia, there's nothing to be scared of here. Wow, that's so cool. Wait, from which movie was this part 3? I remember that scene. Mia, relax.
Mira, vas a asustar a Mike para.
Close your eyes, Mia.
Oh no, because that, put your hands there. You put your hands there.
Ah! Wow, they have a lot of Nightmare on Elm Street stuff here.
Dada, but what is this one? From what movie is this?
I don't know. All right, and this is the entrance to the Monster Museum. This was the other side was just whoa. Mia, close your eyes. Oh, okay.
He's like creeped out.
Whoa.
Ow. Oh, ow.
Don't touch anything. Whoa.
Mia's scary cat.
Okay, Mia, keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Here. That's me. That's me. Shh. Okay.
Annabelle, dude.
That's not Annabelle. That's not Annabelle. It's The Exorcist.
What is The Exorcist? Oh, what is The Exorcist?
It's a horror film. Oh, look, Planet of the Apes. Mia, don't open your eyes. Alien. Mia, close your eyes. Close. Mario, relax. Shh. Mia, close your eyes. Mia, shh. Okay, close your eyes. This is all so cool. Maite, no tienes miedo, ¿verdad? So cool. Look, Toxic Avenger, Mario.
What's Toxic Avenger?
That dude. And Chucky. And Leprechaun and Michael Myers.
Dad, can I see Michael Myers? Oh, oh yeah. He's the guy that plays
And
the
Jason.
piano.
Oh my God, this place is so cool.
Oh, Michael Myers is the guy that plays the piano.
No, that's from the Halloween movie.
Mira, no está pasando nada con Mira.
Michael Myers plays the piano.
Does he?
Yes, he does. Tiene que pasar sobre
Look.
eso.
Mia, just
Wow.
goodbye, Freddy. This place was so cool.
Te voy a asustar, Mira.
Beetlejuice! Oh my God, how fun! Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. You gotta watch Beetlejuice. That's it.
Oh no, that's creepy. I'm going out.
Ya, sal, corre.
Mia, why were you so scared?
Porque ahí están todos los monstruos de las películas.
But they're not real.
Pero me tocó uno.
It's not real.
Me tocó uno.
You probably touched it. It's not alive. The statues are not real. All right, so we are gonna go for a stroll down the historic district of Boulder City, and I think I know the perfect thing to do to end our day. Do you kids want to get some milkshakes?
Milkshake.
A milkshake. All right, let's go. It says historic Boulder City, the city that built Hoover Dam. It's very cute. The Coffee Cup Cafe. Cute. Cuidado. Cute.
Mamá, quiero hacer el caballo.
Oh my God, peanut brittle and toffee. I don't have any quarters, Mia. Let's walk a little bit down and then we'll come back here and get some shakes, okay? How nice. Fun. All right, let's go to Grandma Daisy's. Mia, put your mask on. You want that? Wait, hold on, I'll get it to you. You want that? Okay. Just this then. All right, I'll hold on to it. You don't have to get a milkshake. No, I'll hold on to it. I'll give it to you in a second. What do you want, Mario? You want that?
Yes, and how many can I get?
You sure you want this? I don't think you'll like it. It's marzipan or it's gummy.
But how many can I get?
Are you sure you want that?
But how many can I get?
2.
2?
Yeah.
2?
You sure you want that?
And then...
I don't think you're gonna like it.
3.
No, I'm reading it. E-fruit, I think it's gummy candy, it's gummy.
No.
You want that? No? Don't touch anything. Tell me what you want and I'll get it for you, okay? No. You got this, Maite. You got this, the lollipop. Is that what you want? Well, tell me what you want. No toques, mi amor. I'll give it to you in a minute. They have a lot of selection.
Oh, mira, papi, tú quizás quieres comer algo de eso. Oh, ya, yo sé, le puedes comprar uno a ella porque eso me encanta.
Okay.
I like nerds.
All right, Mia picked nerds. Great. What do you want, Mario?
Los nerds son muy pequeños.
That's just a present. It's empty.
Oh, Maito, quiero hacer esto. Estos son muy dulces. Y... Oh, Maito.
You want this?
What?
You sure?
Harry Potter. Yes, I want
Harry Potter?
Yes, Harry Potter.
All right. And let me decide what I want.
¿Por qué no le quieres agarrar algo, Lela?
What should we get? I don't think she'll want anything. It's too sweet for her, she'll say. Could I get a Boulder bark? Could I get a turtle? And then these haystacks, what are they? What are they?
Coconut.
They're all coconut, but just one's white. I'll have the white chocolate one. All right. All right. Oh, you're welcome. Did you guys have fun today?
Super duper fun.
It was hot. We did a bunch of things we never did before. It didn't all go according to plan. But you know what? You roll with it. And we still had a really good time. MyTrue10.com. That's all that I ask. And it's not even an ask. It's an invitation for you to experience the best CBD gummies out there. It will help you be healthier and happier and in so many ways. MyTrue10.com. MyTrue10.com. Say bye.
Bye, friends. Bye.
MyTrue10.com.